Welcome to the Easy Projects Adobe Creative Cloud tutorial. Let's start by downloading the plugin and installer. Click on the link below this video to find the download page. Click Try Now, type your email address, and click Download. The extension file will be downloaded immediately upon opening this page. If this does not happen, you can download it from the link on the page. To install, you will need an installer program, such as Adobe Extension Manager CC or ZXP Installer. Copy the plugin file to the desktop and launch the installer. Drag the file into the window to install. Start Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. Open a file to edit and go to Windows, Extensions, and then Easy Projects to open the plugin. You first need to log into the plugin. Click Sign In. You should enter your credentials for the plugin when you run it the first time by clicking Sign Up instead. Type in your email address and password. The first configuration step you must specify is your Easy Projects address. You can then enter your credentials for Easy Projects. Click Try Connect to check the validity of the credentials and click Save to continue. Now you can use this extension to connect to Easy Projects with Adobe Creative Cloud. If you have any questions about this topic, please contact us at success@easyprojects.net.